2 weeks ago, we showed you guys how to depuff and drain buildup through facial massages. So today, we're going to share 2 apple detox juice recipes you can enjoy in the mornings. Hello everyone, I'm Jujani and welcome to Beauty Farm. So today, we're going to juice some apples. Now, once in a while, we need to detox and cleanse our body because when we have buildup in our system, they can cause mental and physical issues. So for this video, we chose apple as our main ingredient. Now, apples are so good for detox because they boost your immune system, they help control blood sugar and cholesterol level, and help in weight loss. So let's go make some apple juice. Oh, but before we get started, make sure you're subscribed to Beauty Farm. We talk about all things beauty and health, and if that's something you're interested, then subscribe. Okay, let's go. There you have it. Apples are so good for your body and they're recommended to be eaten in the morning. So let's cleanse our body with some good apple detox juices. Now comment down below your favorite detox juice you like to drink or an ingredient that you like to add. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!